Dear students, the topic for today's lecture is decimal to binary conversion. As you all know that the base of decimal values is 10 and the base of binary values is 2. Okay, so today we will learn how to convert a given decimal number to binary number. For example, I am having a number 3. I have to convert this decimal number into its binary equivalent. Okay, so the first step that I have to follow for this conversion is I need to draw 3 columns. The first column will be for the divisor, then second column will be for the quotient, and the third column will be for the remainder. Okay, clear? So you need to draw the 3 columns, first for the divisor, second for the quotient, third for the remainder. Now, as right now I have not started the division, I will take my digit, the number which I am having in the question, I will write it over here in the quotient column 3. Okay, now since I am doing the decimal to binary conversion, so here I need to divide this number by 2. Okay, subsequently I have to divide it. The 2 I will take. Fine. Now, if in the normal division I do like this, 2 ones 2, okay, then remainder I will get 1. So this 1 is the quotient and this 1 is the remainder. Okay, so I will write the quotient over here and I will write the remainder over here. Then again I will divide the number by 2. Now since this 1 is smaller than 2, it can't be further divided, so the quotient will be 0 and the remainder will be 1. I have got the quotient now 0, I can't divide it further, so I will collect the remainders in the reverse order from bottom to top. So this will give the answer to my question that 3 in decimal can be represented as 1 1 in binary. Now let's take another example. For example, I am having the number 14 which I need to convert to its binary form. Again same thing, I will draw 3 columns. I will take the number 14 over here, divisor, the first column for the divisor, second for the quotient, third for the remainder. 2 I will divide, 2 sevens are 14, I will get the remainder 0. Then again 2 threes are 6, 1 will be the remainder because 7 is an odd number. You can do the rough division like this for the beginning phase. 2 threes are 6, 7 minus 6, 1. So this 1 is the remainder and this 3 is the quotient. Okay, now again I will divide it by 2, 2 ones 2 and 1 will be the remainder. Now again the same thing as we have got in the previous example. Fine, then this 1 is smaller than 2, we will get a quotient of 0 and this 1 will be treated as the remainder. Again collecting the remainders in the reverse order from the bottom to the top, so I will get the conversion as 14 in decimal will be equivalent to 1, this 1 I will write first, then this 1, 1, 0, that means 11110. So this is the way how we can calculate the binary equivalent of the given decimal number. Okay, thank you for the